robots are taking over, and I was just sent this grill cleaning robot. This little robot has 4 of these really powerful motors and brushes on all corners to clean your grill. Now this thing will run either a 10, 20, or 30-minute cleaning cycle on your grill. You don't put it on a hot grill. They specifically put it on there. You got to let your grill cool down like I did, and then you turn it on, and I'm going to show you how that works. It does charge in the back here using a USB cable they do provide, and they also provide you with a little key that you can take these off, and you can even wash those off, which is great as well. Cool little handle that it's got on there and can easily store, and you can use this multiple times in between cleanings. Super easy to use. I've got a nasty grill here. I have not cleaned, specifically wanting to try this out. It's got bits of chicken, it's got crust. Man, this is gross. And this normally takes a little while to heat up and clean off and everything. This is currently cold, greasy, disgusting. Let's go ahead and put this guy in here. I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna let him run for a 10-minute cycle. But I'm gonna show you, you can press and hold. You got a 10-minute, 20-minute, or 30-minute cycle. Let's go ahead and run it for 10. You got to close the door. Boy, and he's running around in there. You see him in there? He's just going after it. But we're going to close this down because you can't leave that open because he's going to want to jump out because nobody wants to be stuck in there cleaning that mess. If you hear that beep, this thing is just now finished and it's beeping that it was done. And honestly, personal and professional opinion here, it did a pretty stellar job considering that I only had it on the 10-minute setting. I can still see that there is up here along the edge still some growth that is there, but it really cleaned a lot of this up pretty well. And I think if you would have set that on a much higher setting, he probably would have gotten it a little bit better. I'm also kind of impressed that it didn't have a lot of like excess goo like all over the outside of this. So really it did a pretty nice job cleaning it. It must just knocked it down into there as it was spinning that around. So really pretty impressed. I think that's going to be nice to be able to use this a few times. If you're going to use it on the 20-minute setting, you might only get a couple of uses out of it before you got to charge it back. But you know, this is going to make cleaning the grill a lot easier.